Marines. We have a possible fix on al-Assad in the capital city. 1st Battalion is en route. Intel gathered by SAS indicates that al-Assad may have a Russian warhead. Speed is critical. Nest teams have been deployed to the area. Force Recon and Wild Weasel units have taken out most of the air defenses, but al-Assad's ground forces still pose a serious threat.
Looks like we're rolling in with everything we got. We get al-Assad, we end this war right here, right now. Lock and load, Marines.
Yeah, lock and load, Marines.
Information, approaching objective. 30 seconds.
Outlaw, this is Deadly. We'll take out the big targets. Mop up any troublemakers with Mark 19.
All call signs, this is Overlook. We're seeing enemy armor in the Palm Grove west of the river.
Taking fire. RPGs on the rooftops. Right over. Take it out, Jackson. All around infantry. Watch it. We got RPGs on the rooftops. Taking fire. RPGs on the rooftops. Right armor. Take it out, Jackson. All around infantry. Watch it. We got RPGs on the rooftops. Anti-air battery. Roofed out. Hostiles with RPGs. Command, this is Outlaw 2-5. Infantry is making a run for it. We are clear to land, over.
Roger that. Okay. Back Blue 2-7, let's get those Abrams to the front. Outlaw, this is command. Unload half your chalk here and take the rest 2 clicks west. We need you to evac an advance team pinned down in the city.
Roger that, command. Outlaw 2-5 is en route.
Marines, listen up. One of our forward recon teams has gotten pinned down and needs our help.
Outlaw, this is Deadly. Returning to base to refit and refuel. You're on your own for now, 2-5.
Advance team is pinned down in a hot area. They're popping green smoke to indicate their position.
Roger, we have a visual. Outlaw 2-5 out.
Watch for friendlies near the colored smoke. Let's get our boys evac and get the hell out of here.
The penalty is too hot. We'll circle back in 3 minutes.
Watch for friendlies near the green smoke on the 2nd floor. Let's get our boys out of there. Move!
Hold your fire! Friendly's on the second floor. I repeat, we're up on the second floor.
So you're all right out of here?
We're in, Captain.
Outlaw, this is Deadly. Refueled and fully loaded. You guys miss me?
Move out, let's go, let's go. Get to the LZ. Let's move. Go, go.
Jackson, get back to the Mark 19!
Outlaw, be advised. We have a situation here. Over.
Go ahead, Command, over.
SEAL Team 6 has located a possible nuclear device at Al-Assad's palace to the west. Task teams are on the way. Until the device is verified safe, all forces are to fall back to the east. Over.
We're hit! I'm off the tail loader!
Jackson, get back to the Mark 19!
Outlaw, be advised. We have a situation here. Over.
Go ahead, Command, over.
SEAL Team 6 has located a possible nuclear device at Al-Assad's palace to the west. Task teams are on the way. Until the device is verified safe, all forces are to fall back to the east. Over.
We're hit! I'm off the tail loader! Mayday, mayday, this is Deadly going it hard! We're going down!
We have a Cobra down. I'll repeat, we have a Cobra down. Deadly, this is Outlaw 2-5. Come in, over. Command, I'm visual on the crash site. I see small arms fire coming from the cockpit. Request permission to initiate search and rescue, over.
Copy 2-5, be advised. You will not be at a safe distance in the event that nuke goes off. Do you understand?
Roger that. We know what we're heading into.
All right, 2-5, it's your call. Retrieve that pilot if you can. Out.
Deadly, do you copy? What's your status, over?
I'm here! Shooting is KIA! Hostile moving too fast! I sure could use some help down here!
Hold on, we're coming to you.
Be advised, 2-5. Hostiles advancing parallel southwest of your position towards the crash site.
We got 90 seconds, Jackson. Get the pilot. No one gets left behind. Jackson, pull her out of there and get back to the LZ. Do it. Get to the B-Night. We'll hold down these corners. Go.
Lieutenant Vasquez, this is Outlaw 2-5. Now would be a good time to get the hell out of here, over.
Roger that. We're on our way.
Outlaw, this is Command. We have a probable nuclear threat in the capital. Proceed to the minimum safe distance until the all-clear is given by the nest team.
Go, go. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We're in for some shop. Hang on. Check in the next hour.
All U.S. forces be advised. We have a confirmed nuclear threat in the city. Nest teams are on site and attempting to disarm. I repeat,